In today's video, I'm going to show you many ways you can use to make money with Binance. So the first step you have to do, of course, is to visit the website. But if you're using your phone, you simply have to install the Binance app on your phone. And the first requirement is that your account needs to be verified. So without wasting any of your time, let's get started. So in this case, all I have to do is simply visit Binance, okay, and I'm going to click on the first link in the search results. So what I'm going to do right now is I'll have to log into my account. So to do that, simply click on the login button over here. So in this case, I do not want to type my passwords. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to scan this QR code, and I'll not have to like enter my email address, start verifying and stuff like that. Like it takes time. So like if you're using your phone, you don't have to do any of those stuff. Like all what I'm trying to do right now is log into the account. So okay. So I've scanned the QR code successfully and I've now logged in successfully. Okay, so now that I've logged in successfully to my account, so how can I actually make money with Binance? So there are many ways you can actually make money with Binance, but in today's video, I'm going to show you one of those ways, of which is the easiest and the simplest. So as you can see, currently my estimated value I have is about $7. So what you need to do is simply click on the N, okay, and when you click on the N, you'll be shown a list of ways you can actually make money with Binance, okay, and I'm going to talk about some of these which are necessary for now. So the first way of which this video is centered about is the Binance In. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to show you how you can actually make money with the Binance app. Okay, so as you can see over here, you're going to be showing the list of coins and how much you earn in a year, which is in APY. So if you don't know what APY stands for, APY stands for annual percentage yield. So this means that it is something, okay, it is the rate that you can earn on these coins in over a year, and it also includes the compound interest. Okay, so as you can see over here, like the BNB, which is the product, is the locked staking, you earn over about 55.50%. Like there's no bank that can give you this percentage. Like most of banks will only give you less than 10% in a year, mostly to be like 1 or 2 or 3%. Okay, but this one here, we're told you earn this in 14 days. Okay, so the duration for this is 14 days. Then the BUSD, the flexible savings, is flexible, and the BNB is 12.99 in 120 days. So like all you have to do is simply click on the stake. Okay, then the account type, as we can see, is locked. Then you choose the duration of your choice, for example the 14 days, 120 days. Then from here simply enter the amount, okay, or simply click on max. Then from here you'll be able to show that the minimum is 0.001 BNB and the variable quota is 0.5 BNB and the test personal. Okay, but for now we do not want to enable the auto staking. Then from here on your right side, you're going to see that the stake date, which is today, and the value date, the interest period, okay, the interest end date, the redemption period, and the redemption date. Okay, and you'll be shown some of like the APY is adjusted daily based on the on-chain staking rewards, and the APY, specific APY, is subject to the page on display. Then simply click on I've read and click on confirm. But as of now, I do not want to stake this. I'll just simply showing you how I can actually do this. So in this case, I'm simply going to cancel this because I'm not interested in this. Okay, so this is the easiest way and probably the better way you can actually earn money from your coins on Binance In. Although if you want to know on your own time, you can try out the other ways you can make money, but this method I've shown you today It's actually the easiest and the most rewarding one. So research more about it and see how much money you can make and the associated risk. So if you did something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.